Welcome to our Mondialogo project. First of all, what is the Mondialogo Engineering Award?
The Mondialogo Engineering Award is launched by Daimler and the UNESCO. It invites engineering students in developing and developed countries to form local groups and international teams. The award consists of developing engineering solutions and technologies that support the United Nations Millennium Development Goals. These goals include several health aspects, gender equality and the eradication of poverty and hunger, but also environmental issues and the formation of global partnerships for development are listed. With this project proposal, we mainly support the health and the environmental aspects of the Millennium Development Goals.
Our MEA project is a collaboration between the Technical University of Munich and the University of Moratuva in Sri Lanka. Our aim is to supply fresh water for the remote village of AquaCUBE in Sri Lanka. This goal should be attempted by an implementation of a small-scale solar-powered desalination system. But before we get into the detailed project description, let's take a look at the actual global water situation.
Today, more than 1 billion people are affected by water scarcity, out of which 84% live in rural areas. These people have to rely on unsafe, often contaminated local water resources, or they have to purchase expensive water from distributors. Let's focus now on the concrete water situation in Sri Lanka.
79% of the Sri Lankan population lives in rural areas, whereof 4 million people have no access to safe drinking water. Our pilot project village named AquaCUBE, a remote village with 240 inhabitants and with no infrastructure, faces the Sri Lankan very dry climate. Its groundwater is salty and the surface water is contaminated. Until now, the population has to purchase expensive drinking water from distributors about 10 kilometers away.
Our desalination system, named the AquaCUBE, is an already working prototype which uses the principle of humidification and dehumidification showed in the picture beside. The AquaCUBE doesn't depend on existing infrastructure and produces about 100 liters a day. Its modular concept, which allows a parallel connection of several AquaCUBE systems in combination with the decentralized utilization, will enable us to cover best the individual needs of the population of AquaCUBE. With a successful implementation of the AquaCUBE in AquaCUBE, water can be produced at low prices, so the population could benefit of less high water bills. In addition, man-hours needed so far to purchase water from distributors can be saved. A total amount of equivalent cost saving of 4,500 euros per year was estimated.
On a long-term vision, the AquaCUBE can be a fundament for local business opportunities. People purchase an AquaCUBE system via a microcredit and sell a certain quantity of their daily produced water, thereby reimbursing the microcredit. This concept doesn't depend on further external investments because it includes traditional market mechanisms.
If you're convinced of our idea, please vote for our project on our website at mondialogo.org. Thank you for your support.